my name is Dr. Stephanie Gorczyca, and here at the Summerlin Center for Aesthetic Dentistry, we really pride ourselves on caring for our patients' health as a whole. And one way that we do that is really focusing on periodontal health. What is periodontal? That just means the gums and the teeth and the combination and connection of that. And really, the prevention of gum disease can help in so many other aspects of our lives. Specifically, that bacteria that causes gum disease can get into the bloodstream and cause problems in the heart, the liver, a whole bunch of things that it can cause. So we really focus on keeping the foundation, aka the gums and the bone level, super healthy so that the teeth can actually function and you can chew and be a healthy human. One of the questions that we get about brushing is it better to brush before or after breakfast? This is a good question. I mean, essentially, we would just want you to brush anytime in the morning and at night, because by brushing, you're actually decreasing the bacterial load that could cause decay or gum disease. So it's good to just always have a routine of brushing in the morning and brushing at night. However, if you're really focusing on the benefits and wanting to make sure you're maximizing the best time to brush, it actually is before breakfast. And the reason is because overnight, after you brush your teeth, after dinner, overnight, that bacteria is building and building and building all night, even though you don't have any food in your mouth. That bacteria is always in there and growing and multiplying. So once you eat breakfast, it's like you're feeding all this bacteria and it's having a smorgasbord. And then if you brush right after that, you're actually brushing away some enamel if you're brushing the second that you're done eating, because the food and the bacteria that eat the food and excrete acid is on your tooth. So that acid is wearing away your tooth before your saliva has enough time to remineralize your teeth, which takes about 30 minutes. So actually, it is best to brush your teeth before breakfast. And if you have time, brushing 30 minutes after you eat breakfast would be even better, just making sure everything's nice and clean. So if you would like to take care of your gum health and therefore your overall health, we're here for you at the Summerlin Center for Aesthetic Dentistry to take care of you and give you the best possible professional cleaning to freshen your breath and brighten your teeth. So feel free to call us at 702-240-0400.